So friends, this is a Dreammaker hot tub. To change the filter, you pull this off. You see, this is designed to be a little waterfall. Water goes in there and it fills it up. You have a nut down here. You take that nut off. See, it says Dreammaker on it. And you pull this oval filter out. It looks like that right there. I'll stick it over to the side. And then you can put a brand new filter in that looks just like this right here. It has a hole at the top. It has an oval hole at the bottom. It has a round hole at the top. And if you measure this, it is 6 1/4 that way. It is 5 1/4 that way. The hole is 3 inches. And overall, it is 9 5/8. To install it, you simply push it down like that right there. And you screw this right back on. And then you put that in place just like that, and it is done.